not feeling good.
What's the matter?
I'm gonna work and my this come and this come and I'm feeling good and I have a cup and a bottle and I can walk.
Your throat hurts and you have a cough and you can't walk?
No.
Oh my goodness, I don't hear
And you came.
I don't hear you coughing or sneezing or anything.
I see.
Oh my goodness. Are you gonna make it?
No.
You can't even walk?
No, you pick me up.
I have to pick you up. Do you think maybe it's all the Doritos you ate? You ate too many Doritos
Yeah.
and that made you sick? Do you have a sneeze?
I see.
Oh wow. You poor thing. Alright, I guess we'll have to put you to bed.
I'm gonna lay on the couch.
Oh, you gotta lay on the couch?
Yeah.
How come?
Go down on the couch.
Because you want to lay on the couch?
I need this.
Oh, you need your slippers?
Yeah.
No.
This. And this. I go up.
You can't walk.
I can't pick me up.
Why don't you put on your slippers? Maybe it'll help you walk. Can't walk.
No, it couldn't help.
You sure you have a sneeze?
Ha ha